Seniors, stop and listen. Before you put on your shoes and head out for your walk today, I need to tell you something. Because I've been watching people over 60 walk for years, and I see the same thing over and over again. People doing everything right and still waking up with stiff knees, still feeling exhausted after a short walk, still wondering why their back hurts when they got home. And here's what I've discovered. It's almost never that they're walking. It's how they're walking. There are 7 quiet mistakes most people over 60 make without ever knowing it, and some of them are actually making your body work against you, not for you. Stay with me, because number 4 is the one that surprises people the most, and once you know it, you'll never walk the same way again. Here's the truth nobody talks about. After 60, your body is still incredibly capable, but it communicates differently now. It gives you signals, a little stiffness in the morning, a dull ache in the knee, feeling winded faster than you used to. Most people think those are signs to slow down, to do less. But the research actually shows the opposite. Those signals are your body asking for smarter movement, not less of it. Walking is still one of the most powerful medicines on the planet. It protects your heart. It keeps your mind sharp. It lowers blood sugar, improves balance, and can add years to your life. But only if you do it in a way that works with your body after 60, not against it. So let's walk through these 7 mistakes together. And I want you to honestly ask yourself as we go, am I doing this? The 7 mistakes. Mistake number 1, you start walking too fast. Picture this. You step outside, the air feels good, and you start moving. And within 30 seconds, you're already at full pace. That feels motivated, but your body is still half asleep. Your joints haven't been lubricated yet. Your muscles are still tight from sitting. Your heart isn't ready for the load. And when you force that transition too fast, your body responds with stiffness, fatigue, and joint strain, often hours later, not right away. So you don't even connect the dots. The fix is simple. Give your body a 3 to 5 minute gift. Walk slowly at first. Let everything wake up gradually. Then, when your body says, okay, I'm ready, pick up the pace. You'll walk farther, feel better, and your joints will thank you that evening. Mistake number 2, your head is slowly drifting forward. This one sneaks up on people. Nobody chooses to walk with their head forward. It just happens, especially if you've spent years at a desk, or driving, or looking at a screen. But here's why it matters so much after 60. Your head weighs about 10 to 12 pounds. When it sits directly over your spine, your neck and back carry it effortlessly. But when it drifts forward even a few inches, those same muscles suddenly feel like they're holding 40 or 50 pounds. Every single step. That's why so many people finish a walk with neck tension or upper back pain and think it's just age. It's not age. It's posture. Here's an image that actually works. Imagine someone tied a gentle string to the crown of your head and is slowly pulling it toward the sky. Your chin comes back. Your chest opens. Your shoulders fall away from your ears, and suddenly your lungs can breathe fully. Try it right now, wherever you're sitting. You probably just sat up a little straighter. That's the feeling you want when you walk. Mistake number 3, your shoes are quietly sabotaging you. I want you to think about the shoes you walk in most often. When did you buy them? 6 months ago? 2 years ago? Longer? Here's something most people don't know. The cushioning inside a walking shoe breaks down long before the outside looks worn. The sole can still look fine while the support inside has completely collapsed. And when that support is gone, every step sends a small shock wave up through your heel, your knee, your hip. After 60, the natural cushioning in your joints is thinner than it was at 40. Your shoes need to compensate for that. Look for 3 things in a walking shoe: real cushioning that absorbs impact, arch support that keeps your foot aligned, and a flexible sole that lets your foot move naturally. And if your current shoes are more than a year old and you walk in them regularly, it may be time. This is one of the lowest cost, highest impact changes you can make. Mistake number 4, you walk sometimes. Your body needs you to walk consistently. This is the surprising one. A lot of people tell me, I do a big long walk on Saturday. Doesn't that count? And I understand the logic. A long walk feels like you're putting in the work. But here's what the science actually shows. Your body doesn't store the benefits of walking the way a bank stores money. It responds to walking as a signal. A regular, repeated signal that says, stay ready, keep the blood vessels flexible, keep the muscles engaged, keep the metabolism running. When you walk only once or twice a week, that signal is weak. Your body doesn't stay in a state of readiness. You're essentially starting from scratch each time. But when you walk 20 to 30 minutes most days, even gently, that signal becomes a drumbeat your body learns to live by. Your heart adapts, your circulation improves, your blood sugar stabilizes, your mood lifts. You don't need long walks, you need loyal walks. Mistake number 5, your arms are doing nothing. Watch most people over 60 walk, and you'll notice their arms are almost completely still, just hanging there. But your arms are supposed to be an active part of walking. When your left leg steps forward, your right arm should swing forward with it. It's a natural counterbalance your body was designed for. When the arms stop moving, the whole walking motion becomes slightly off balance. Your core has to work harder, your pace slows, and you actually burn less energy and get less cardiovascular benefit from the same walk. The fix isn't to do anything dramatic, just let them go. Bend your elbows to about 90 degrees and let your arms swing naturally with your stride. Within a minute, it will feel automatic, and your walk will feel more powerful and rhythmic, almost immediately. Mistake number 6, you're walking at the world instead of walking in it. This one is personal, not just physical. When you walk with your phone in your hand, eyes down, scrolling, you miss something that matters. You miss the way the light looks at that hour. You miss the feeling of the air. You miss the chance for your mind to actually rest. But there's also a real safety concern. When your attention is split, your reaction time slows. Your balance suffers. The risk of a trip or a stumble goes up in ways you don't even notice until it's too late. Your walk is one of the few times in your day where you get to be fully present. Don't give that away to a screen. Leave the phone in your pocket. Look ahead. Breathe. Notice things. Let your mind wander. Some of the best ideas, the most peaceful moments, the clearest thoughts people over 60 report, they come during a quiet, distraction-free walk. Protect that. Mistake number 7, you stop when the walk stops. Here's the one most people completely skip, and it may be the reason you feel stiff the next morning. What you do in the 10 minutes after your walk matters enormously. When you walk, your muscles produce small amounts of waste products, lactic acid, inflammatory byproducts. Your circulation is elevated, your joints are warm, your body is in a state of readiness. If you stop abruptly and sit down, all of that slows suddenly. But if you take just 5 to 10 minutes to cool down, walking slowly, doing a few gentle stretches for your calves, your hip flexors, your lower back, your body transitions smoothly. It clears those byproducts, it maintains flexibility, and you wake up the next morning actually wanting to walk again. Drink water before and after. Not just when you're thirsty, because after 60, the thirst signal arrives late. Your muscles need hydration to repair and stay supple. The walk is powerful, but the recovery is what makes it sustainable for the years ahead. Here's what I want you to hold on to after watching this. You are not too old to feel strong. You are not too old to protect your heart, your brain, your balance. The fact that you're here, watching this, learning this, that tells me everything about the kind of person you are. Walking isn't a small thing. When done well, it is one of the most profound acts of self-care available to you. It is free. It is available every single day. And it compounds. Every walk you take today is an investment that pays you back in energy, clarity, and independence for years to come. Start with just one change from today's video. Just one, and see how your body responds. Now I want to hear from you, and I mean it. Which of these 7 mistakes hit home for you? Was it the posture, the shoes, the phone? Tell me in the comments below. I read them, and your answer might help someone else watching this right now who needed to hear exactly what you experienced. If this felt useful, please share it with someone you care about, a spouse, a sibling, a friend who walks every morning. This information could genuinely change how they feel day to day. And if you want to keep going, I've got something waiting for you next. A video about a simple morning habit that takes less than 3 minutes and has been shown to dramatically reduce joint stiffness in people over 60. It's not what you think. Click it right now. Your joints will thank you tomorrow.